Hello everyone, good morning everyone. First of all, you just give your short
Good morning, sir.
introduction. You have to give one by one short introduction. You have to tell your name and you have to tell your previous
Hello.
qualification and from where you are, you have to just tell only this. Okay? Then just start one
Good
by
morning,
one.
everyone. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Good
it is
morning,
audible.
everyone. I'm Suraj Misra. I'm from Meja Prayagraj. I just did my Bachelor of Arts from University of Allahabad. My subjects were political science, economics, and ancient history. Thank you.
Hello, good morning to everyone. My name is Prajwal Srivastava. I belong from Azamgarh. I have done graduation in the State University in Geography. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ratan Jha. I am from Suklaganj, Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Arts from CSJM Kanpur. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanaklata. I am belongs to Bihar, Madhubani, and I am completed my graduation from Ramakrishna College, Madhubani. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Akhleshwar Ojha from Mirzapur, UP. I have completed graduation BSc Maths from MGKVP Varanasi, and I am doing Office Management and Business Communication Diploma in BHU.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shreya Srivastav, and I have done graduation, bachelor's in commerce, and I am from Prayagraj. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Nashra Khan, and I belong to Mau, Uttar Pradesh. I have done graduation. Thank you.
Okay, anyone is left?
Graduation from Uday Pradhan College. I am from Sonali.
Okay. Anyone is left? Okay, I think almost over. Okay. Okay. Okay, your GD topic is demonetization. Is it success or failure? Okay, we have a discussion for 15 to 20 minutes and we will start after 2 minutes. Okay, you have 2 minutes and after 2 minutes we will start. Okay, after 2
Hello,
minutes
everyone. I think I should start.
after
I'm
2
starting
minutes
the
we will,
topic
after 2 minutes we will start. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Sorry. It was not audible.
Thank 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we will start. Okay, I am again repeating the topic: demonetization. Is it success or failure?
Sir, in Indian perspective, or we can talk about the world perspective as well?
Indian perspective.
In Indian perspective.
In Indian.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can start.
Hello, sir. I'm initiating this topic. I'm Suraj Misra. I'm against this demonetization process. although I believe the intention was good, but I think but it failed miserably. As you can say, we have all seen its effect on economy, people's life, as it has no proper way of implementation, no monitoring, and banks also played some messy role in doing this. As we
I
have
have
seen,
different
people
opinion
itself.
from my friend. What I want to say is I am in
sir.
favor of demonetization, right? In Indian perspective, we can see there are many people, the notes are not running in proper way. They have the lockers in their homes and they put the money inside the lockers, right? So for the long duration of time, those rupee notes are not in the regulation. So it is also affected over the economy. The first thing, and the second thing is demonetization is favored in the India is in that way because the first one is the circulation of money was held, and the second thing, the uh, government talk about the black money, right? So according to some reports, they said that the 99% of the Indian money has collected from the people. Rest 1% is left. So we can say that it is favored in regulation of the currencies as well.
But wait, it lacked the implementation part.
Failure because how much RBI currency issue.
I think
But I partially agree with you, my
many
friends.
persons try to from one to different person.
In my opinion, intention of every plan made by the government is right, but the implementation is the main problem. The demonetization have a one problem that implementation. Nearly 99% money is the
Yeah, I agree with you. That's what I mentioned. I just mentioned that it lacked the implementation part. Although the intentions were good.
We can't generally blame the government. Government intention is really good, but the main problem is implementation of this plan is so bad. Or we can say that and the employees will not really work hard, and also we can emphasize the
look, my friend, I agree. I partially agree with you. But the thing is, we are the Indians of the population of India is very large, right? If we implement, if we say anything, if the government make the statement to the people that they are gonna ban this currencies in the future,
I'm not talking about
so
the implementation part. I'm talking about this.
Enhance our economy, right? So the people will not understand. There will be the mess between the people, right? So what happened then they when they put their concern about the stopping the currencies like demonetization.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I think the people suffered who don't know about the banks. The people living in far remote areas, they are not familiar with the banks, the notes, the currencies. They don't deal with all this. Actually, the farmers,
there should be a good regulation.
They don't have. People don't have actually the bank accounts. Some people don't have actually bank accounts. They had money left with them. The poor farmers who should be in their fields, they were in the bank lines. The ill patients who were in hospitals, people suffered to pay their hospital bills, and there are so many messy things. Banks played so bad role.
I agree with you, my friend, but
all the notes
for the big revolutionary steps, we have to suffer from something. We have to suffer from, you know, if we want to change, if we want to go for the good, so we have to suffer, right?
That the people of
I partially agree because
have more get profit
every
than
time why middle sorry to interrupt you, but why middle every time when someone sorry
I think she wants to convey that why every time middle class suffers.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't say that the middle class suffered.
In every revolution,
suffered, you know.
Yeah,
not only the middle class,
government
everyone, poor class,
I know.
elite class, everyone was suffered.
Sorry to interrupt
say that
you,
the only
but
middle class was suffered.
Sorry for
inconvenience, but my point is,
government
my point is the people who don't have the excess. We have extra amount in our homes. We have money, jewelry, etc. We have other currencies. We have online system to transfer money. But think about those people who don't have anything. They don't access to online banks or mobile banking apps, UPI. Before this, they suffered miserably. Small street vendors, small shops, and the people The
And
people
people
who
are
don't have
still
it,
struggling because of demonetization. People
Sorry
are
for
still
economy is struggling.
Demonetization has helped
Yeah.
reduce black money, increased tax compliance and formalization, and given a boost to transparency.
I agree with you, but the aims of the government for demonetization not achieved because more black money not come.
Yeah,
Look, my
definitely.
friend, as you can see in the newspapers, we heard the news of the stone pitters in the Kashmir. They are funded by the other countries. So what happened after the demonetization? We can see the reports. The number of pitters have less the numbers. The first thing, and when we ban those currencies, which was held by the other countries, they were funding to them. So it will stop in
Sorry,
that manner as well.
I
So you
partially
can
agree
say
with
that
you,
it will help us in that way
Sorry, my
as
friend,
well, right?
I don't
sorry, I
want,
partially agree with you, but
It's only successful in
what I want
that
to make
term,
is that
but
yeah,
we
or
see
someone who
implement
is
in
very
that reason, na? You can't
Yeah,
implement
yeah,
the
there are
decision
many ways to
when
for a
control
small
the
section of people or a
violation
small
of
region.
laws
You
in
can't implement a
the
decision
other
on
way.
whole
You
nation.
don't need to
You just
you
force
don't need
everyone.
to just
I
demonetization.
want to
You
add one more point, my friend. As we can see, the revolution after demonetization in the cashless society, right? We can see the example in the cashless society. We are going to the UPIs after the demonetization. We are moreover going to the cashless payments. You can see the revolution after the demonetization to the cashless society is growing as well. And in
Sorry
current
for this
time, we are
interruption,
the
but I think
on
the
the top
government
position
should
in the
promote.
won't depend upon just the
cashless
cashless
payment, right?
society. How
there
can
are
you
a lot
sustain
of
a
Indian people,
cashless
they
society when
don't have
there
an
is not
internet
internet
and they
working?
don't know
That's like
about
a
the
remote area in
technology.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Oh,
where
sorry
the
to interrupt you, my friend. I
internet
think
is not
all
working.
India
So
is
how can
covered from
you?
the internet facilities, I think, although the remote
No,
areas
no.
as well, right?
No.
I'm
So
sitting
you
in my
can't
village,
say
and
only
I don't think
the
when this
internet
meeting
is
took
the
place.
problem.
Border area, remote areas,
In the
no
mountain
proper
areas,
connectivity,
there
and
are still
everyone not
people,
have
they don't
a
have an
mobile phone.
internet
Everyone
access
not
and
have
they
a
There
don't
are
have
technology
some people who don't
people
have the
that
access to internet, but you
perform the
can't
activity
take
like
those
UPI.
the minor
I
numbers
believe
like 2-3%
many
are
persons
there,
are
right?
do not know how to
I agree with
use
you. I
the
If
partially
the
agree with you. But
population
what
of
I
older
want to
age
make is that
belongs to that, they have don't
we
technology,
can give initiatives.
also don't know how to
Start
use
this
it.
initiatives. We can give the extra.
There are
As we can
initiatives are
promote it now.
done, my
We can
friend.
promote online payments. We can promote it with
Yes.
the schemes.
So
Government can provide initiatives, but you can't
Yes,
demonetize because of
you can promote, but
this is
no, I'm
this
just
I don't
before
think
the
the proper way.
I'm
demonetization,
just
we
saying
have
the
to
merits
promote.
of
We have to
demonetization. After
promote
Sorry
demonetization,
to
you
before
can
the
interrupt
see
you, but
demonetization.
a
societies
government
and the
What
main
people are
intention.
we
moreover
cannot do
interested
it
in paying
after the
the cashless
demonetization.
payments, right? So these
I
are
Yeah,
the
agree
but
with you. I partially agree, but I
but
don't think so because demonetization only helped it. We can promote it
no.
with
I'm
other
not
ways,
saying the
like
only
giving
help it.
initiatives,
government,
promoting it with schemes. Demonetization
No, I
was
don't say that,
huge
my friend.
failure.
I'm just telling the merit of the
government,
demonetization, right?
but government
Yeah, I know, but
government promises that they
you
will
just
get
said that.
black money from it, but there were not a single black money
Look,
came back
from
to
the
the end.
we are in the
Internet
75th of the independence
demonetization
year,
outcomes
right?
have been
So
greatly
from till now,
benefited
you
as
can't hear
anticipated.
about the black money. You don't have actual data, so you don't have to talk about the black monies
Yeah,
and all.
I agree with
This
you.
this can't be come to the India, I think, in the future, because the many of the politicians are involved in them. They have their government, so I think this point is not relevant to talk about this, right?
But
Yeah, I
we
agree
can
with
say
you.
that
We can
Politicians,
take the
corrupt persons, the
I
people
partially
who have access
everyone
with
has the
government, they
account in the
exchange
Swiss
their
bank
currency.
and they all
People,
are corrupted.
the
So you
actually
can't say
the
that
corrupt
the
people
black
actually
money.
the
That's why
targeted
middle
people who actually
people,
exchange their notes. Targeted people, the black money holders, the corrupt, they all exchange their money with the help of corrupt bank employees.
yeah,
The actually
yeah,
people who
yeah.
suffered were the common people.
Look,
okay.
I agree with you. I partially agree with you, my friend. The people are suffered, but if we go to the strengthen our economy, right? We can talk about we are just coming into the 4th and 5th position of the
But
economies
it never
in the
stands.
world perspective,
What I
right? So we have to take the
yeah.
big decisions, right? You can't regulate a certain amount of money, certain notes, certain kind of paper notes to the more period of time. You have to change
Sorry
that
for this
point.
interruption,
You have
but
to change that. Like
at what cost?
you can see in the market, there are the plastic money, there are the paper money are not in the regulation in no more, right? So
But this
if
is
we can
not
go
the
for the
right way to
plastic money or
change
nylon
the
Yeah, I
paper.
polyester
think
money,
it's
so
a
it will
failure
help
But
for
us
this
the
is
as
not
government.
the
well,
I
right
don't
way to
think
change
because
the
you
the
can see the
paper money.
damage
We
of
have
notes
to
are
promote
also
it. Don't
there, which will affect our economy as well.
Sorry, but I think I fully disagree here because according to you, we can say that we demonetize again and say that we are demonetizing this time because of we want to promote cryptocurrency. Suppose
No, I'm not saying about the
happens again and-
cryptocurrencies. I'm saying the
No,
type
no, I
of
was-
money, type of paper money. Paper money is not only the option. We
Actually,
can
what
go
I
the-
want to say that if government implements again demonetization and say we want to promote crypto, that's why we are demonetizing. That's not fair.
No, that's the irrelevant point because we can't do that in future as well, right?
You just said that demonetization is for the online currency. That's not
I'm
the issue.
just
We can
saying the
say-
regulation of the notes should be in good manner, right? We have to change the paper quality. We have to change the value of that paper.
That's the
Because
different.
you
That's the
can- you
difference.
can
is
see-
what-
you can see
That's the
paper
different. That's the
quality.
difference.
So what is the need of demonetization? If you want to
Yeah.
change
That's
what
that's
is
the
need
point.
of demonetization? They
So
just-
how can
they
you
just-
regulate that money?
That's all.
No,
Then what
many
is the process to regulate that money?
They coin the-
regulate, but how can it increase the paper quality, which we are talking about?
If we
What is
we
the law
stop the
with the
total
last-
use of that
last
prop
one?
dot
What is
and
the
we
law-
can we issue the new
But
notes, then it
We
is
can
it is
still change the
it will
paper
help
quality
to
like we have
regulate.
started 2,000 rupee notes in bank. Like the banks are holding 2,000 rupee notes. We can do the same way here. If you want to change the currency quality paper of the
How can you
quality, so
collect
we
that
can-
money which you have given to the
Like we are
people,
holding 2,000
common
rupees
people?
money. As you can see, it's not in circulation anymore. We rarely see it. Banks collect it. They are exchanging it, or whatever they do with it. We don't know.
So that's only possible
But we
after
can
the
change the paper quality in the
demonetization.
same way.
Because the paper quality, the demonetization have only aimed at to reduce the black money, just black money, and
No,
maybe
this was not the only motive. I think there are multiple motives are there to make the India cashless society, to curb the black money, to strengthen the economy. These are the benefits of the demonetization as well. This is not the only thing which held in the India.
What-
It is
what
regulated
about
by the
people-
all
what
world,
about
right?
demonetization,
But they come with a planning.
What about the people who suffered in the lines? People died in the bank
With
lines.
you, there should be a
pregnant
proper
lady gave
planning,
birth.
there should be implementation of
Yeah.
monitoring, right? But the
Yeah.
step which was taken by the
Exactly.
government is not, you can say, that you
Step-
can't deny it, right? You can't deny it that it is only it has only the demerits. It
I
has
want to add a
merits
point.
as well, right?
The pros and
I
cons,
want to
but-
add a point
but
here.
government should come with proper
I want
plan
to
and
mention 2 or 3 cases here. In
implementation.
one case, a old lady died in the
Because
bank. Like
government is not facing any
a
problem, right?
pregnant lady gave birth to her baby in a queue where she was standing outside a bank. She just gave
My
birth to a
friend, you
baby.
can't
A woman
only
died.
take only a incident
But-
in this big revolutionary things, right? You have to suffer from the things, you have to suffer
But
from all the
not a
this
single politician
itself,
face
right?
this type of a problem. Yeah, you are right. But not a single politician or those who come from affluent, they didn't face this type
That's
of a
what I have
problem.
said, that the
Yeah,
good
basically the
implementation,
bureaucrats,
good
the elite
planning
class, the politicians, all the
will be
corrupt
there
people
with
exchange
the
all
good
their
option.
money. They are enjoying their life, but economy is suffering. Farmers suffered, small vendors suffered, street vendors suffered, the small shops, everyone suffered except
Look,
those elites who
if
have access
you
to the
can't say,
politicians,
look, my
politics.
friend, do you heard about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana?
You can easily say
Have
that
you heard
the
about it?
demonetization may
They
have a-
initially
Yeah, but
opened the account of every people, every single people. They don't say to them to collect any kind of
here I partially agree with you,
proof,
and that
anything.
was a good case, and
They
I
have
agree with
good
that.
planning.
That
They initiated the planning with the opening the new bank accounts of the all people, right?
But
So it was
they should have the
including in the
proper
planning as
monitoring
well.
system. There was no proper monitoring in the banks. No one knew. After the people started, they started taking the Aadhaar numbers. They can have the better ways now. They can Aadhaar number. They have address. They should have everything of the people who went to bank to submit their currencies. Why don't the
At that
banks have
time,
no
at that time,
information?
my friend,
RBI
no
has no
ID was
information.
required.
Finance
At
Finance
that
Ministry
time,
has no. That's what I mentioned.
there were
just
multiple
mentioned that
options to open a bank
implementation
account
lagged. The
at that
monitoring
time,
lagged. There
right?
was lack of monitoring. There was lack of monitoring.
You can
There
include
should be-
this point,
there
but
should be a
in the
way.
holistic way, we can say that it has some good points as well to our economy, right? So you can't deny
We have
it
only
that
2
it
minutes
only
left.
the
I don't
demerits.
think-
Hello.
I don't think
I don't
any
think they can-
We have only
point
2
is
minutes left.
demonetizing.
After that, we will come to the conclusion part. Okay. So you have only 2 minutes for more discussion, and after that, we will come to the conclusion part. Okay. You can discuss for 2 more minutes.
I have just 3 points. First one is the implementation part. The second one is the process. This all happened. They should have a proper way. They should have a proper IDs of the people who are submitting their notes in the banks, as banks have the all details of their customers, and there should be a there should be a more ways, more rules how the banks would do this, and what about how people. I mean, the banks would have informed after the move was announced. The banks would have proper at least banks can do their job.
After including
Like-
your all points, my friend,
But when
in a
when
holistic way, what I think,
they suddenly can't follow the decision. They have to the government have to make a confidence to bank that you
Yeah,
may
that's the point. That's the point.
okay, including all these points, my friend, what I want to say is, after including these points, in a holistic way, we can say that demonetization was the good step taken by the government. What I want to say is there are 5 points we can see where it helps to our economy, in our society. The first one was it was to have the motive to make India corruption free. The first thing, and second
lost
thing,
the
to
connection.
curb the black money. The third thing, controlling the escalating price rises. Fourth thing, and the fifth thing, it made our society to go for the cashless society. The fifth thing is it has decreased the number of stone pitters in the Kashmir. So we can say that our
I agree.
injuries and we can say
But here government clearly failed. The
these
Kashmir
5
issue is
things,
still
right?
not resolved. The Kashmiris, the Mois, actually the Mois and Kashmiris are still getting the funds.
you can't
Irregularities
just
are
You
happening
can't
again.
even
We have-
heard a
we have
single
the-
news of stone
we have
pitters
fake
in nowadays,
currencies.
right?
We have fake currencies again.
Yeah,
We have
in
fake
that
notes for
terms, that is good,
2,500.
but we
Nepal,
cannot see
Pakistan,
only
everyone is
that
dumping the fake note. They said that it will help in
It's
proper
still-
security of
it's
the
still
notes, but it
unregulated.
lacked measurably there also.
Government can't do this only for the stone palette.
Yeah.
I have given you the
That's
5
a
minutes,
regional
my
issue.
friend.
That's a regional
have
issue.
given you
That's
5
a
minutes
security
point.
issue. That's a
You can't
regional
say
issue.
that,
Only for stone pelters, you can't hold the whole nation. That's a
Sorry for
security issue
interrupting.
Okay,
within a
friend.
region, with a
Now
small.
you wanna-
Time is over now.
That's
Not making it long, sir.
Time is over now. Thanks everyone for joining. You have to give a short conclusion. For 1 minute, everyone, you have to give a just short conclusion for this topic.
Thank you, sir.
May I start this? May I start?
Yes, yes, you can start.
So, concluding all this, we have 3 major pros and 3 major cons. The first pro is that the security issue and the irregularities of the corrupt politicians or bureaucrats or every person who was corrupt. That's another issue. And third one is the promotion of digital currencies and digital UPI payment systems or digital transferring of money. These 3 pros, and the cons were like everyone, the economy, the people, everyone suffered. Small farmers, vendors, everyone suffered because of it. The lack of implementation and monitoring, and banks' corrupt role also improved all this, and that is failed miserably. We can say that. Thank you.
What I want to say is, after including all the pros and cons, I agree with you, my friend, that the proper regulations, proper monitoring would be there. But what I think, say, in a holistic way, demonetization will help the India in growing as a good economy, right? In the ways like curb the corruption, the first thing, which was playing the major role in the past years. The second thing, making the cashless society. The third thing is to attempt the regulation of the currencies, which were held in the bank lockers, in the home lockers, right? It has regulated that currency as well. So in a holistic way, demonetization have helped the India to grow economy, right? Thank you.
But demonetization may aim to reduce the black money, but the black money not fully recovered. That's why demonetization is failure, according to me. And the government tried to reduce place economy in any other different way. Demonetization always burden in economics, and this help only for big persons, not a small person.
Demonetization was tackle the finally corruption and mainly black money from India.
I conclude that everything has a pros and cons, and government try to curb the corruption, but they failed in this. And in this way, middle class people suffer a lot because of that. So I don't think so. It a good
Impact on the economy, right?
yeah,
Good one.
good. That's it.
Yes,
After
I agree.
healthy discussion, I have made two points that the government have a great best plan to demonetization, but the employee and the white collar job is not performing well. So after 4 year, 5 year, we can easily say that demonetization is effectless. They were more effective, but the employee doesn't help it. Thank you.
But India government has not fully successful in demonetization. Finally,
Yeah, I mentioned that it is effectless. You can't
Yes,
say that fail, but you can say that effectless.
I think we can take the more points from the other friends as well who have not participated in the GD. Like,
Yeah, that's
if
this.
anyone
We
wants
have
to tell
now
us,
get the
they
discussion. Now
can
it's
include
conclusion
their
part.
points.
Everyone should get the point.
Time.
Shreya, is it, are you audible to
Only
you?
once and mute. Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it audible to you?
Like my friends,
Digitization
like,
has advantages in short, medium, and long term. It helps to tackle the problem of black money corruption, and it also increases the direct tax as well. Thank you.
Okay, thanks everyone for joining us. Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thanks. Now we are
Thank you,
ending.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.